Very good morning students. Today we will discuss chapter air, that is chapter 10, and it is the part 1.
So air is present all around us. We can feel it but cannot see it because pure air is colorless, odorless and tasteless. We feel air only when it blows. And the general name for the mixture of gases is for air. And it is the mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. Among them, nitrogen is 78%, whereas oxygen is only 21%. And other gases, that is the mixture of carbon dioxide, water vapor, helium, ozone, hydrogen, etc., they are only 1%. So pure air has no discernible scent and no color. We feel air only when it blows.
Living things inhale oxygen present in air through the process of respiration to get energy from the food taken by them. What do you mean by inhale? Inhale means take in oxygen during the process of breathing is called inhale, and exhale means give out carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. So, without air living things cannot survive. And the second one is oxygen is also required for burning. Later we will discuss about it through an activity. And another one is plants require oxygen to live and grow. For this we can do an activity. So, we take 2 potted plants, add some water to both the plants and keep them in sunlight. Cover one of the plants with a thin transparent plastic sheet. What do you mean by transparent? Transparent means through which light can pass easily. Then observe the plants for some days. The plant which is kept covered with plastic sheet will shrink up and dry out after some days because it does not get sufficient amount of oxygen to grow and live. But the other plant will remain healthy which gets sufficient amount of air to live and grow. So, this activity proves that plants also require air to live and grow. Now, we will discuss about respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is the process which releases energy from the food consumed, and it uses oxygen and gives up carbon dioxide. So, we need oxygen to carry out the process of respiration. I told you oxygen is also required for burning, and also told you that we can prove it through an activity. So, this activity will help us to understand the importance of air in our life. How can you do this activity? First of all, take a candle and fix it on a table. The candle is lighted. The candle will continue to burn due to continuously available fresh air providing the required oxygen for combustion. Now, cover the burning candle by putting an inverted gas jar over it. Inverted gas jar means एक गैस जार को उल्टा करके उसके ऊपर रख देंगे. Then what happened? After a short time, the candle stops burning and gets extinguished. उसमें क्या होगा? ये कुछ देर जलने के बाद extinguished means बुझ जाएगा. ये क्यों हुआ? When the burning candle is covered with gas jar, then the candle takes away the oxygen necessary for burning from the air enclosed in the gas jar. जब हम ये गैस जार को उल्टा करके रखे, उसके अंदर जितना ऑक्सीजन था वो बर्निंग में हेल्प किया कैंडल को. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन? व्हेन ऑल द ऑक्सीजन ऑफ एयर inside the gas jar is used up, then the burning candle gets extinguished. कुछ देर के बाद जब ऑक्सीजन जो प्रेजेंट था गैस जार के अंदर वो बर्निंग कैंडल यूज कर लिया, उसके बाद ये गैस खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद ये क्या होगा? कैंडल गेट्स extinguished. So it proves that oxygen present in the air is necessary for combustion of the substances. Now, this is an assignment regarding today's discussion. 5 fill in the blanks are given. First question is, air is a dash, solution or mixture of gases. The answer is, air is a mixture of gases. Then the second one question, dash, oxygen or nitrogen constitutes about 78% of air. The answer is, nitrogen constitutes about 78% of air. Third question is, dash is needed for burning, oxygen or nitrogen? The answer is oxygen. Oxygen is needed for burning. The fourth one question is, during respiration we utilize dash, oxygen or carbon dioxide, and give out dash, oxygen or carbon dioxide? The answer is, during respiration we utilize oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The fifth one is, plants take in dash, oxygen or carbon dioxide during photosynthesis? The answer is, plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. This much is today's discussion. Thank you.